Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope and believe that you are all well by the grace of Almighty because you are staying home and maintaining health rules. Side by side, you have to do your studies regularly and properly so that you can do well in your exams. So, welcome you all to online class. I'm Richard Gomez. Today I will take English second paper of class 5 tense. Especially I will discuss today on present tense. So what is tense? Tense is a time, that is, if you want to define it, tense is the time of accomplishing any action of a verb. That is, when a verb occurs, the time is the tense. There are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. And all these are divided into four classes: indefinite or simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. That is, present indefinite or simple present tense, past present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, past indefinite tense or simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. And last of all, future tense, future indefinite or simple future tense, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. So, we like to start with present tense. Today I'll give some brief description on three types of tenses, and then I'll discuss on present tense. So what is present tense? Present tense describes an action in the present time. That is, the work which is going on now or in the present moment. It is called present tense. So he studies seriously. Here this is done in present form. So this is one type of present tense. The fisherman is catching fish. Another type of present tense: I have finished my work, and Kabir has been playing for 2 hours or since afternoon. Here, four different types of present tenses are there. We'll discuss their criteria, categories later on. Now, past tense. If you want to describe about past tense or define past tense, that is, past tense describes an action in the past time. That is, finished in earlier ago, that is not now, previously it was done. He passed SSC last year. You were busy playing with others. The rain started after we had reached school, and it had been drizzling all the morning. Different types of past tenses are here. Now, future tense. Future tense denotes an action in the future. That is, it is not now, it is not in the past, but it will be done in future. That is future tense. Here some examples of future tense, different types. I shall go to market tomorrow. He will be preparing his class. I shall have reached school before my class starts or will start. And last one, you will have been playing in the field for an hour. So here are different types of future tenses. Now I like to focus on present tense today. Present indefinite. First, there are four types. I have already told four types of present tense: present indefinite tense or simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So first one, present indefinite tense or simple present tense. What is it? It describes an action. That is, present indefinite tense describes an action in the present time. It also describes habitual facts and universal truths. So there are some examples where you can get you can easily get the information about the present indefinite, and I have also shown you the structure here. First of all, examples: he always protects others from danger. Ice floats on water. universal truth. It dews in winter. She doesn't sit in the first bench, habitual fact. So the structure here, subject plus V1, that is present form or base form of verb. There are three types of verbs: present form, past form, and past participle. So V1 means present form of verbs or base form of verbs, and rest of the sentence or extension. It can be affirmative or negative also, or interrogative also. If we say a negative one here, she doesn't sit in the first bench. If we say he always protects others from danger. So if you want to make it interrogative, does he always protect others from danger, question mark. So in different forms we can write in present indefinite tense also. That is present indefinite, the structure is here, but it can be changed according to the form of the sentence. If it is assertive, interrogative, or negative, this way it can be changed. Next one, number 2, present continuous tense. It describes an action that is going on at present. That is, I am studying now. My father is helping my mother in cooking. Hassan is not giving an online exam now. The birds are chirping in the field, in the garden. Here the structure, subject plus am, is, or are plus verb ing, and rest of the sentence are extension. So if we say the negative one, Hassan is not giving an online exam. If you want to ask the question, that's the interrogative, the birds are chirping. Are the birds chirping in the garden? Question marks. This way we can write in different forms also, this present continuous tense. So the present continuous tense, the verbs is going on now, at this moment, now, at this moment. These kinds of adverbs can sit here. Third one, present perfect tense. It describes an action that has just finished, but the result of which still continues. That is, the action has just finished, but its result is still now, still continuing. That is, he has gone to market. That is, he has not returned yet. He is now in the market. I have received an email just now from my friend. Here, just now, recently, these kinds of adverbs sits in this tense, present perfect tense. You have done a good result in the exam. Have done. Habib has recovered from a severe fever. So the structure, subject plus have or has plus verb 3, that is past participle form of the verb, V3 we can say, and rest of the sentence are extension. Here has sits before, after third person singular number. If the subject is third person singular number, then we have to use has, otherwise we have to use have. So here the similar, if you want to ask question, has he gone to market, question mark, has he gone to market. If you want to make it negative, he has not gone to market, or he hasn't gone to market. If you want to make it negative interrogative, hasn't he gone to market. This way we can also make different types of forms of in this tense, present perfect tense. Now the last one for today, present perfect continuous tense. What does it is? Present perfect continuous. It expresses, the tense expresses an action that has been going on for some time and is not finished yet. That is, it has started and it is continuing and it's not finished yet. That is, for example, I have been preparing my work for an hour. That is, it is going still now. He has been living in the USA since 2001. You have been practicing guitar for a long time. Last one, it has been raining since morning. Here the structure is subject plus have been or has been plus verb ing. plus extension plus since or for plus time. That is, here few things to be remembered. That is, has been is used when the subject is third person singular number, otherwise have been. Then verb ing. Then it is for or since. If the time is fixed, a point of time, then we can say since. It has been raining since morning. We can say since the particular time, a point of time. And if it is a period of time, I have been preparing my work for an hour. For, that is a period of time. When we use want to indicate a period of time, then you have to use for. Otherwise, if it is a point of time, then we should use since, and then a time frame should be there. So the structure: subject plus have been or has been plus verb ing plus extension plus since or for plus time. So these are all about present tense, and in the next class I will show you how to change the tenses in between the present tenses. And until next class, goodbye, stay home and be safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.